To replace the tail light, first we will open the trunk. We'll need to take this cover out. We only need to pull this out and it will come out. Now we only need to take out this big plug right there. So all you have to do is on the other side of this plug is a tab. You just press and hold this tab like that and then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug taken out. We will be using a 10mm wrench in order to take out a bunch of nuts all around behind the tail light. You can lose the nut with the wrench first and then you can take it out with your fingers to speed up the process. One nut is out. Similar fashion, we will take out the rest of the nuts. There we took out the second nut. The third nut is right there on the top. That also needs to be taken out. Again, we lose it with the wrench first and then take it out with our fingers to speed up the process. To take out the nut on the corner, I will be using a small ratchet along with an extension with a 10mm socket on top. Just be a little careful while taking these nuts out because, for example, if you drop them, it would be really difficult for you to find them behind that cover of the quarter panel. Once all the nuts are out, now from the quarter panel side, we will push the tail light outwards until the point where it comes out. And right there, we ended up taking out the tail light completely. Now in case if you just want to change the bulb which is at the back of it, all you have to do is just turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. To take out the bulb, first we have to press the bulb downwards and then turn it anti-clockwise and just pull it out. There we got the bulb taken out. Now suppose you want to install a new bulb. All you have to do is just make sure the edges of the bulb matches with the edges of the plug itself. Once the bulb is in, just press and hold the bulb and then turn it clockwise. Just like that. That is how you change the bulb on the tail light. Now we punch in the plug back to where it came from. We have to match the teeth of the plug with the teeth of the tail light right there. So this is how you punch it in back. You may have to wiggle a little bit once you got it completely in, and once it's completely in, only then you turn the plug clockwise one more time to install it firm and strong. There it is. The plug is installed firm and tight. Now suppose you got a new tail light and you want to install it back. All you have to do is just make sure this edge of the tail light is squeezed into that clip right there. Once the tail light is squeezed into that clip, only then we give it a final push from this side. Tail light looks good. Now we go ahead and install all those nuts back to where they were. Again, just a friendly reminder, make sure you don't drop these nuts while tightening them back, because if you drop them, it would be really difficult for you to find them back. Now I will go ahead and tighten all these nuts with a 10mm socket wrench. All seems good. Now we go ahead and punch in the plug. The tap side, which is this, needs to go to the opposite way. Now we go ahead and punch in the plug until we hear a clicking sound. Now we will just put back this cover. With that, we are done with the replacement of this tail light. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the tool that we used during this takeout.